Hello.
Ben, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, so I will share to you now, Ben. Wait. Okay,
Okay.
yes, this one, Ben. So you have here. So our topic, so we are now in Unit 5B. Okay, again, we are in Unit 5. Please try to have this. Okay. Do you like music? Can you see this, Ben?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have 5 questions here. Okay, wait me here. Okay, first one. Do you like music?
Uh, Kinda.
Okay. What sort of music do you like?
I don't know. I listen to every kind of song, and
Hmm?
I don't have
Like,
any favorite.
okay, that's good at least. Okay. So where do you often listen to music?
In my free time, sometimes I'm free or something.
Okay. So do you often buy CDs? Why not? Why and why not? So I don't know if CDs nowadays are still up. Okay, maybe there is CDs not totally in nowadays because mostly we do have a lot about like Spotify, we have already the YouTube, we have already the Google. So I guess CDs are not up until now. I mean, it's up nowadays. I'm not familiar. So that's my guess. So talk about, do you listen music? Literally listen music. Do you?
I don't buy CD.
Do you listen music or no?
I listen.
Okay. Okay, so we have here the different music genre. So we have disco, rock. Okay. So we have classical, heavy. Okay, so we have rock and punk. Okay, so if you were gonna check this one, please try to look at this one. Okay, please try to look at this. Okay, we have also the word reggae, instrumental, jazz, electronic, country, blues. Okay. So these are the music. So based on what you have here, based on what you can see in the picture, what music or what genre of music do you like, Ben? For your age, right? For your age, what genre of music do you like?
I don't know.
What genre? What genre do you like?
Maybe disco or something.
You like what?
Disco
Hmm?
and
Disco,
classical.
classical. Disco, classical, what else?
Just that.
Rock. Do you like rock?
I listen to it, but I don't watch it.
So rock is just quite noisy. So it's the rock music. Okay, rock rather. Okay, punk, I guess this is also rock music. Okay, next one. So we have here. So who do you think the singer or the band that you knew or the one that is your favorite band?
I don't know any.
Do you have any singer or band that you considered your favorite?
I don't know any, so I don't know. I'm like I don't have any that I know.
Do you have any?
No, I don't have anything.
You're not that familiar. Okay. Since speaking part two. Oy, sorry, Ben. What is this? Okay, wait me. Oh, this is speaking. Okay, I will stop this one. I'm telling the speak. So actually, music is very nice. I love classical music then. Okay, so I'll steal our topic for today. We're talking about battles. Do you know the word battles, Ben? What do you mean by battle? What did you understand about the word battle? When I speak up the word battle, what comes into your mind? What is battle for you?
Um,
Ben.
two people fighting. Two
Two people fighting, that's battle. Okay, what else?
like competition,
It is about,
competition or something.
okay, battle like two people are fighting or it's a war. It's between the battle of you and yourself. Okay, these are example of battle. Okay, here I have four questions. Have you ever seen Ben a Star Wars? Have you ever seen a Star Wars?
No, but I seen a part of the
What is it? You have seen a
small part of it.
small part of it. Okay. So, did you enjoy Star Wars?
I don't know because I don't watch the full of it.
You didn't like to watch full of it?
Like I don't have.
Actually, I've seen Star Wars. That was before. Okay. I'm not really fan of the Star Wars. So I don't like this one. Although this can be considered Ben as science fiction, right? So please, Ben, you read the text. In what order were the three Star Wars trilogies released? Okay. So may the force be with you. Okay. In what order were the three Star Wars trilogy released? You tell me later. Ya, Ashi, cute. Tapos Ashi, namatay na kami. Pagkadang ka, itong color brown. Cute, dito itong color brown, ma.
Okay.
Okay. So 1997, 1990, and 2015. So these are the three trilogy. So these are the three trilogy that was released first, followed by prequel to these films in late 1990s, and finally, our sequel trilogy started to be released in 2015. Okay, very good, Ben. Find example of passive structures below. Okay, look at that. Example, passive gerund. Example, Ben. I dislike being photographed. So, gerund, there is ing. Wait me ha, I will erase them. Verb with two objects, which is used in the passive conjunction. Example. I was promised the job. You find this hard, Ben? Find it hard?
Yeah, that's kind of hard.
Okay, so let us skip. Okay. So we have here the passive voice. Okay. The passive voice, Ben, consists of subject, the verb to be in the correct tense, the past participle of the verb needed, and sometimes the agent or the other complement. So this is the pattern. Subject, verb, to be plus the past participle. Always remember when we say passive voice, it is always past participle. Okay, example. The novel was read by mom in one day. This film wasn't liked by no one. The windows had been broken. As you can see, Ben, they are all in the past participle tense. A passive voice. Okay, so we have here the subject, novel. Okay, the verb in the correct tense was read. And of course, you can see by a mom in one day. So this is another, okay, compliments. Okay, this film wasn't liked by no one. Okay, this is passive voice. Okay, look at the passive voice here. Example, okay, present simple. The photos are taken. Okay, is in the present simple. Passive voice in the present continuous, the photos are being taken. Wait. Okay. Next is the present perfect. The photos have been taken. And next, past simple, the photos were taken. Okay, where? Okay, because photos, it is plural. Okay. Another, past continuous, of course. The photos, why were teacher? Because photos is plural and we are talking here continuous. Past continuous. We're being. Okay. Next, past perfect. Look at the past perfect. Example, the photos had been taken. The photos had been taken. Okay. Had been taken. Will, future, the photos will be taken. The photos will be taken. Okay. Okay. Okay, example, will, future. Always remember, we use will here. We use past perfect. There is had been taken. Past perfect, huh? So regardless of the verb, okay, the number of the verb, whether it is singular or plural, but we are talking here the past perfect. Okay. The photos had been taken. Okay? Okay, Ben? Now, Ben, please try to give me, rewrite the sentence twice, making its object the subject of the verb. Please follow the sample. Okay? Go, Ben. You can write here or you can write in the chat box.
Okay.
Okay. How about number 3, Ben?
I don't know.
Okay, let us check. Okay, the swimmer has been thrown a lifeline guard. Okay, has been thrown, has been. You are using has. So, of course, you will gonna use been. Okay, there's already a swimmer was shown a lifeline. Okay, actually, the sales assistant sold me a defective TV. I was sold a defective was sold to me. Okay, so a lifeline has been thrown. Okay, this is also correct, Ben. A lifeline has been thrown to the swimmer by the lifeguard. Oh, it could be, right? A life has been thrown to this. Okay, very good, Ben. Great job, Ben. Okay, number 3. We will offer the job to the most experienced client. We will offer the job to the most experienced client. Okay. The job will be offered to the most experienced applicant. The most experienced applicant will be offered the job. Okay, number 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. All the one then. It's okay with me one. One answer each. Okay, one only.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, the farmer was feeding the chickens with corn. The chicken was, okay, was feeding, are you sure? We're being fed with corn. Okay. Chickens. Chickens is plural, Ben. You forgot? Okay. After the poor performance, the crowd showed the players little respect. Okay. The players were showed little respect by the crowd. What is crowd? Crowd after, okay, this is correct, Ben. After the performance, or after the performance, the play, actually, your answer is also correct. The players were showed a little performance, okay, by the crowd after poor performance. Okay. They are sending me my exam result in the post. The answer is, my exam results are being sent in the post. Okay, sending. Okay, or I am being sent my exam result in the post. Okay. Now, Ben, we have the word auxiliary verbs. What is auxiliary verbs? Okay, so this one, have. With the verbs with two objects, we can also use a passive constructions with have. They gave me a book. Okay, I had a book given to me. Okay, because this is past tense. So we had to use had. Okay, did you understand, Ben? They gave me a book. So I had a book given to me. Okay, the following can also become the subject of the auxiliary passive. Okay, example, letter A, prepositional object. What is preposition here? Preposition is the word as, your. Okay. They explain the situation to us. As here is the to here is a preposition to. They explain the situation to us. Okay. We have the situation na kanina po na agdumi butang na sa likod ha ako rin butang kana rin we had the situations, we had the situation explained to us. Again, we had the situation explained to us. Okay, they explained. Okay, so of course, another we use the passive or auxiliary passive had. Okay. Possessive. What is possessive? It means shows possession. Yours, ours, that is possessive. They confiscated Tom's iPad. Tom had his iPad confiscated. Do you know the word confiscated, Ben?
No.
Confiscated, Ben, it means you get it. Okay, your teacher take it away from you. Okay. Okay, your teachers take your iPad away from you. That's confiscated. Another, these structures, okay, looks identical to casual have, but have here is being used in a passive, not a casual, active sense. Compare these two sentences. He had his hair cut. Casual, he chose to have it cut. Okay. He had his watch stolen. Auxiliary passive, he was the passive victim. Okay. So if you can see this one, it's really different. It's far from the original meaning. Okay. Casual, okay, he chose to have it cut. Okay, he had his watch stolen, auxiliary passive. He was a passive victim. Now, look at this, Ben. Can you please, okay, I will give example lang. I have this CD given to me by a close friend for my birthday. Okay, please try to look at this one. Okay, answer 3, 4, 5, and 6 only. 3, 4, 5, 6.
Can you wait me a few minutes?
Okay, sure. Okay, okay, Ben, go Ben.
mm, okay.
Okay, Ben. Okay, so 3, Ben. They always read stories to use at primary school. So again, please rewrite the sentences using auxiliary passive. Okay, as what I told you, auxiliary, this is have or has in had. Okay, start with the word in the brackets. Okay, we had our stories read to us at primary school. Very good, Ben. Okay, see? They won't return Tom's iPad to him until the end of the lesson. The verb, I'm not sorry. The word in the bracket is Tom. Okay. Tom won't have his iPad returned to him, or Tom had his iPad returned. Had, Ben, had. Okay. They will refuse Ed permission to miss the PE lesson end. Ed will have permission to miss the PE lesson refuse. They played a practical joke on William. Leah had a practical joke played on him. Okay, always remember there is had because you are using past tense. Okay, Ben?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, very good. So Ben, we don't have enough time. Let us finish this tomorrow.
Okay.
Thank you, Ben.
Okay.
See you tomorrow. We'll continue task 6. Bye-bye.
Bye.